Freethinkers Day. January 29 is Freethinkers Day in America. It is an opportunity for people to promote and appreciate free thought. This is where logic and reason is seen as more important than faith. The day is also called Thomas Paine Day. He was a great American who lived between 1737 and 1809. He spent his life speaking and writing about the importance of freedom of thought. He wrote many books that became famous. These include The Age of Reason, The Rights of Man, and Common Sense. They helped change societies across the world, particularly in 19th century America and France. His writing played a big part in the American and French revolutions. Paine was among the first to call for an end to slavery and for human rights around the world. In the 1990s, the Thomas Paine Foundation began celebrating Thomas Paine's birthday. At the same time, the Truth Seeker magazine began celebrating Freethinkers Day on the same day. The magazine's aim was to inform Americans of the importance of Thomas Paine in the history of their freedom and liberty. The great inventor Thomas Edison said, "I have always regarded Paine as one of the greatest of all Americans. Never have we had a sounder intelligence. It was my good fortune to encounter Thomas Paine's work in my boyhood. Paine educated me then about many matters of which I had never before thought. I recall thinking at that time, what a pity these works are not today the school books for all children."